So what are we doing today?
Alright, so in continuation of ricing up this bad boy,
Sam's car today, not mine.
yeah, we're gonna put a sweet lip, what I got off eBay. I would have bought the real one, but this was cheaper, and I'm probably gonna rip it off anyway.
Yeah, he's already pretty low. So,
Plus, my entire car looks, you know, pretty rough around the edges. It doesn't deserve real parts. It doesn't deserve them.
alright, so what we're gonna do
She's up in the air, man.
is the lip for the NB hooks around the edge like that. So we're gonna get one in on one side, and then one in on the other side, and then just like work our way in, just to make sure there's no like weird ripples or anything like that. But we need to actually get the wheels off because it comes out like that.
Yeah, you have to screw it in on inside the wheel arches.
Yeah.
So
go get the tire iron. Yeet. So in typical Rossamod fashion, we lost the tire iron. So we're just gonna go with the turned wheel. Should be able to get a drill in there. That one's on him, not on me.
drill, baby, drill.
It is totally eBay fitment. We've had to flex it a bunch and everything, but oh, it's gonna look so good when it's lowered though.
Yeah, once it goes down.
Yeah.
We'll see how low it is.
eBay life, dude.
Yep, gotta get under there, into the middle now.
It's kind of weird. I thought it would like protrude more out from the front.
No, because it wraps around the bumper.
Yeah,
This
but I figured the lip would be like an extension, but it's actually just like another lip thing.
It's a lip. Oh.
Alright, then you're probably going to want one here, and then on the corner over there too.
On the end.
Do you want to do another self-tapper into the corner?
Yeah. Yeah, that's all you can do.
Yeah, just put another one there, because, I mean, I give it a week before this thing's ripped off anyway.
Yeah, well, we'll see. Pilot holes are for sissies.
Alright, that's far more solid. Wait, turn your wheel. Does it rub the...
No.
You sure?
Yes.
It doesn't matter?
The whole look at the whole bumper moves when you do that. Look at that.
I think this bumper's been taken off before.
The whole bumper's floppy.
There's no bolt.
Give it a shake. Give it a shake. Yeah, the whole bumper is floppy.
Yeah, I think it doesn't need any more screws.
Yeah, it's in there. All right, now what?
Let's lower it.
Yeah, okay, we'll take this. Hmm?
No. It goes down like, oh my god. Is the jack on?
Yeah, you lift up the...
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Hey!
Right,
now release the e-brake. Because it lowers it a bit. There you go, now put it back up. That's low, dude. Yeah. You have a hand of clearance. This is only the beginning.
This is only the beginning of completely ricing out my NB2.
Awesome. Alright, we'll see you guys next time.